Down out there. We can see the satellite in the radar picture. There are those heavier, steadier showers pushing off to the east. Not a lot of lightning. It's all offshore for the most part. It is really mild and muggy. 69 degrees at Central Park, at 65 in Poughkeepsie, 72 in Islip, and we're sitting in the mid-60s from Sussex over to Trenton. So the day ahead, if you're going to be out later, definitely grab the umbrella. We have at least some of that drizzle lingering through the morning commute. Some sun breaks. It is going to feel pretty muggy and mild with temperatures close to 80 degrees. It'll feel a little warmer than that. And then again by the afternoon and dinner time, so maybe after school practices, we're going to watch for more showers and even some thunderstorms, and that takes us into the early part of the overnight. So I'll have more on that coming up in just a bit. But Emily's, I know I saw and you saw as well some of that overnight rain creating some issues already.
Yeah, real big problems this morning, a lot of troubles.
Wide view and show that this is sort of one batch that has moved through, but you still see the rotation, the area of showers and thunderstorms in western PA right now. That still has to get through our area. So that's what we're looking for later today. So you may get a little brief break during the midday. 72 now in Islip, Eastport with some of those showers, and 68 degrees, upper 60s from the city and White Plains as well as Newark. So as you plan your day, you definitely want to count on it being cloudy and definitely muggy. Look at the uncomfortable, unpleasant, miserable factor here when you talk about that humidity all throughout the day today. So grab the umbrella. By 1 p.m. gloomy skies for sure, upper 70s. It is a late afternoon and evening commute time. We'll watch the radar again for showers and thunderstorms, and some may have those gusty winds and certainly the heavy rainfall, and that will continue through at least the early part of the overnight. So all the ingredients are there, Emily, for not a fun commute.
No, it's already been tough. We've got a lot of problems, couple overturned tracks.
Though the big picture kind of tells where everything's coming from. You see this giant swirl, this bowling ball of a low pressure now over the Midwest is going to swing on through the next couple days. So we sort of had this phase one yesterday. That is beginning to move out. We still have some light to moderate rainfall in parts of Suffolk County, right along at 95 at the Connecticut Turnpike into central Connecticut. Otherwise, you do get a little bit of a break, and it's just that low clouds to start your morning off with. Close to 70 right now. By 11 a.m., 74 degrees. I would grab the umbrella. Just a little bit of mist out there right now, but definitely if you know you're going to be out later this evening. You see through 5, 6 p.m. most areas still on the dry side. It's after that next round of showers and thunderstorms will begin to take shape. So I'll have more on that in a second, which may of course be an issue for the late p.m. commute.
Right.
But this morning, Emily, the wet roads not making it easier.
No, it is a mess. A lot of problems.
Some showers that we had overnight, most of those have moved on. You can see right now Suffolk County and into central Connecticut. That's where we're seeing some of the light rain at this point. Anything else out there is sort of that low cloudiness, the drizzle. So intermittent windshield wipers is probably what you're going to find out there. By 1 o'clock at 79 degrees, we're close to 70 right now. By 4 p.m. closer to 80 degrees. It is after that we get another round of showers and a few thunderstorms, the gusty winds, heavy rainfall potentially with all of these. That continues until late tonight and likely seeing some continue for tomorrow. All right, Emily, not making this Monday morning commute any easier.
No, I've been so busy. It's already 5:30. So
Visibility part of the story. That rain part you can see on the radar. Most of the steadier showers are heading out. So we just have it for Suffolk County and parts of Connecticut continue to push off to the east. So if you're not seeing the showers, chances are you've got that low clouds and you're probably going to need the intermittent windshield wipers. Is that kind of morning. Otherwise, mostly cloudy skies to start off with. 77 degrees, really muggy by noontime, but it's a midday afternoon break in the action before things pick up again by dinner time and later. Showers and thunderstorms, and some could bring the heavy rain and the gusty winds. I'll break down that more in just a few minutes, but first let's break down your morning commute and the effect of some of those wet roadways not making things easier.
No, it's really been a problem. We've had closures, delays.
Today, that's for sure. Looking at the wider regional view here, you had the one batch that really impacted us yesterday, but the front you can see sort of outlined with the clouds and the showers through western PA. That still has yet to come through. That's going to come through by tomorrow morning, and that's going to touch off another round of some stormy weather for us later today. But out there now, it's mild and muggy. If you're not seeing the showers, you've got the low clouds and the mist. 69 degrees right now at Central Park, 66 in Bridgeport, Islip. slip at 72. So as you plan your day, temperatures will be getting up close to 80 degrees. Damp as well by 4 p.m. 79. It is after that point showers and thunderstorms start to develop again and move through, and that takes us into the overnight hours as well, and some may have that heavy rain and the gusty wind. So we may be dealing with leftovers again tomorrow morning for the commute. But
Emily, this morning, just enough of the ponding on the roadways, low visibility, not making messes easier. Not a good combo at all, because we've had a lot of problems in the southern state park.